In Windows, you may try to download something from the internet, but the download fails with the following message: interrupted. Virus scan failed. This happens with most files that can potentially be executed, not only exe or MSI files, but also Microsoft Word documents and other similar files. It does not matter which browser you are using. The reason you're seeing this error is that you have antivirus software installed. However, there may be a problem with it, such as an expired license or the antivirus service not launching for some other reason. Microsoft's workaround: what you need to do is disable this check completely. Open Registry Editor, navigate to the appropriate policy key. On this machine, Attachments branch does not exist in the registry, so I will create it. Create a new dual 32-bit value named scan with antivirus. Set its value data to 1, reboot your PC just in case. After that, you should be able to download files. Normally, word of warning: leaving the value data set to 1 could expose your computer to dangerous files. You have two options: go back and change the value data to 0, or change it to 3, which according to Microsoft enables virus scanning after you save or run the program for the first time. My personal opinion is that you do not need to install third-party antivirus software, and you may even choose to disable the built-in Defender, as such programs often consume system resources. The only antivirus a user needs should be awareness in the head of the user. So if your head is an empty void, you will get your computer infected at some point, and no amount of antivirus software will prevent that.
I am the god of YouTube. Like, subscribe, jingle bells.